Hello everyone, my name is Andrew and today you're gonna see a video. Some years ago I bought Shadow microlight, so it was so pleasure to go there and fly together. So have a look and enjoy the view. So also I wanna say more videos gonna come up on this channel. So party begins. Just put goggles on. My journey begins in London, and I was driving about 3 hours to Lincolnshire, to the small towns, villages and countrysides, and finally arrived to destination.
At the end of the road, turn right, then take the second right. Turn right, then turn right. Turn right. After 100 yards, keep left. Keep left, then you have reached your destination. After 100 yards, you have reached your destination. You have reached your destination.
Oh, I just messed it up. Because of this is ours, you see. But the Shadow, you would land, but there's no room for error. I mean, bang. It's possible, but it's so close. Whereas with the powered hang glider,
you can fly
easily. So this is for us, you see. Hello. It is. I have this, so one day we'll fly it. I want to fly from home, so on a nice night just go for 30 minutes flight, no problem. And this was so cheap.
Yeah.
£500.
£500, really?
Yeah, for
it costs 3,000.
Yeah, and I paid 500.
Yeah.
So this is why I had to say yes. I could not say no. It was too cheap. So
where did you get this?
On the internet.
On the internet?
Yeah, somebody had it on the internet. He had it up for more.
Maybe for USA, not.
No, in England, but it was in the RAF, and he was moving abroad, so it had to go. And he had it up for 800, and I said 550. So with big tank and propeller and everything. So.
And this is your bike, yeah?
Yeah,
motorcycle.
This is what I use in the winter.
In winter? Yeah,
in winter. Yeah. We go to Wales and go around all the mountains and everything.
Like joinery, yeah?
Yeah, enduro, yeah. It's good, it's powerful. 252 stroke, so plenty of power.
And you're using the bikes, simple bikes?
I used to race for Great Britain. I used to represent the country.
Geras laukas ir vėjas geras. Oras normalus. Palakioti. One more shadow, yeah?
Yeah, it's my friend, but he had a problem.
What's the problem with it?
Put a hole in the piston. In the middle, not on the outside, in the middle. It's hold the piston. Yeah, it's hold the piston. Yes. So
too much heat in the piston. Yeah.
Well, it's ignition. To do the middle is ignition. It's the outside of his heat, but the middle is ignition. So I don't know. And this, I have to fix this.
Yeah.
My friend in France. Right. That is the wing. That is all that's left. It's right up.
Dabar vyksta operacijos sparnų primontavimas.
Possible you just hold that for a second? Just hold it.
Yes, of course. Patikrinsiu viską skristinta. Pirmą jisai, paskui dviesis. Vedimas vyksta.